Today is July 31st. I'm Barbara.
I am Vicky.
And this is
Simon Says.
It's week 5 already. It's a great time to check in with our students.
And how are you feeling?
Are you fit as a fiddle or a little out of shape?
Are you having a blast or feeling a little blue?
This week, we want you to think about your physical and emotional well-being.
That's right. Our theme this week is active living. So we want to encourage our students to be active this week.
Last week, our students were very active in the workshops, and we hope to keep up that great energy.
Exactly. Students should come to study tables on Monday to do their homework and socialize with their friends.
On Tuesday, we are going to practice note-taking as we learn about the negative effects of sitting too much. Can you see the irony?
Yes, we will be sitting down while we learn about the negative effects of sitting.
And on Wednesday, we are going to sit while we review the organization of an essay and write about yoga versus running.
And on Thursday, we will sit with our awesome volunteers in Conversation Club.
So most of the week, our brains will be active, but when will we be physically active?
It's Friday. We will walk to the Kinsmen Park, play some games, and make s'mores. This will be our awesome, fun, physically active adventure.
Vicky, what are s'mores?
S'mores are a delicious dessert often eaten while camping. You roast a marshmallow over a fire and then make a sandwich with cookies and chocolate.
They are so delicious. So after you have been working hard all week, be sure to join our Friday adventure where we will be physically active and then we will reward ourselves with s'mores.
Yes, come to join us. Remember to sign up. And how can students stay active this weekend, Barbara?
That is such a good question because this weekend is my favorite festival. It's Heritage Days. We would like to recommend students check out Heritage Days. It's a great festival happening in Edmonton in which you can experience different foods and cultures from around the city. Be sure to check it out.
Speaking of physically active, how do you stay active?
That's a good question. Let's hear what our seminar assistants have to say.
Hey guys, I'm Elijah, and how I stay physically active is I like to play some recreational sports like hockey, go for runs. I also go to the gym frequently, and every once in a while I get out for a bike ride or something.
Hi everyone, my name is Zoe. I'm one of the seminar assistants here. To stay active, I like to go rock climbing. You can do it here on campus at the Physical Activity and Wellness Center.
Hey friends, my name is Win Kai. I love to go to the gym, play basketball, and take a walk.
Thanks, guys. Staying physically active is an important strategy to maintain both our physical and mental well-being.
That's right. So we challenge all of you to do 20 minutes physical activity every day this week.
For example, you could take the stairs up to your classroom.
Yes, but I prefer going to the gym.
Yeah, fair enough. So, what physical activity will you do?
Let us know. Remember, it's the challenge.
And this was Simon Says.